In this video, we will detail the changes made for web portal users that makes your account both more secure and easier to manage. After logging in, all web portal users will be prompted to enter an email address for account verification. You will then receive an email from EPOS Web Portal with a verification link that expires after 5 minutes. Simply click the link to verify your account and you will be logged in. This only needs to be done once for each portal user. When creating new users on the web portal, you can optionally pre-enter their email address. On their first login, they still need to go through the verification process, but the email address will be pre-populated for them. Web portal users can now reset their own password without needing to contact support. This can only be carried out on users that have an email address associated and the user has been verified. Simply click the Forgot Password link on the login screen and enter your username. You will receive an email from EPOS Web Portal containing a reset password link. Clicking this link will take you to the web portal where you can enter and confirm a new password. You can also find more details in your user manual. If you have any questions, please contact your support provider. Their details are available in the Register menu and the web portal.